A high traffic area in Rock Island will be the focus of a big construction project. The mayor says it could pave the way for more development. This is the area that will get the work. It's a Centennial Expressway by 35th Street West. That's near Highland Springs Golf Course. Rock Island is getting $1.5 million from the federal government to help pay for it. Our Quad City's Michael Frischella joins us live from there with more about the work being done. Michael.
Yes, Jim, road improvements are coming in Rock Island to help increase safety for drivers and pedestrians. The city will use nearly $1.5 million to reconstruct the 35th Street West and Centennial Expressway intersection. Mayor Mike Thoms says this intersection is in rough shape and is in need of an upgrade to increase overall safety. Thoms adds this project is necessary because it will help market the area for further economic development, which may include more homes and subdivisions.
We need to add more housing. We need some retail. We need industrial. We need to continue to build our revenue and to be able to take care of the future. And the way to do that is add more housing. You get more kids in schools. You get property taxes. People spending money, grocery stores, gas, and that's what we need is economic development.
Thoms says this upgrade could also bring more people to the golf course nearby, and the city is contemplating adding a roundabout here as well, although there's no word when construction will actually begin here. Live in Rock Island, Michael Frischella, our Quad Cities News.
Michael, thanks for that report tonight. Two other infrastructure projects in the area are also getting federal money. Moline will get $500,000 to replace 70 lead service lines on 15th Street between 16th and 20th Avenues, and $959,000 will go to Monmouth to replace lead pipes there.